All right, friends, family, future patients, I want you to use one of these rollers or even just to roll the bath towel to let's stretch out your overall hips. Your hips, like your shoulder, I think in my previous video, is like a piece of rope. It can unwind itself up the ligaments. But at that point, let's unwind the ligaments by making those hips stretch even more behind your body. We want to stretch our hips, especially for ligaments, in a relaxed position. That's when ligaments can stretch under tension, not the movement like a muscle. So I'm going to show you this table, and we can use your bed or even the floor too if you like. I'm going to put my leg this side so you can see it easier. I'll go right here. I want to put the roller or rolled up bath towel at the bottom of my knee, right there, top of my knee, the bottom of my leg, and let my body slowly come down to a relaxed plank position on my elbows. At that point, you can see that my leg behind my body, is okay? Picture-wise? At that point, behind my body, at that point, this whole area here will stretch, help. If this is tight, your back gets weak and sore. Let's stretch your hips more, and I recommend people start with 30 seconds at home before bed, up to about a minute to 2 minutes over time, get the hips to stretch more. So again, if our hips are loose here, it's gonna be loose your back here, get stronger, and feel less pain, my friends, right? Enjoy your day, have a good one.